touch me. Don't touch my locker. Give me my phone. Don't touch my locker.
On Thursday, the parrot did not only talk about Doyin's gossip with Sisi and the rest. Here, the parrot went ahead to spill the conversation Doyin again had with Neo about nominating Angel or Angel nominating her. That conversation was a whole lot. So yes, that also sparked some fight between Angel and Neo. Trust me, it was really a lot. It was really, really a lot on Thursday. It really even affected their pool party as well. Angel and Neo went at each other's throat, arguing, insult, fight. It was intense. All summary of the fight was that like I said, the parrot revealed conversation Doyin had with Neo, where Neo said she was going to nominate Angel. Now, Angel, in that same conversation, Doyin also revealed that Angel told her she was not going to nominate her. Doyin told Neo that Angel told her she was not going to nominate Doyin, but went ahead to nominate her. So, that same conversation, now, my question was, why was Neo and Angel fighting? Why were they fighting? They are cordial. They are not best of friends, but they are cordial. So the conversation was even an open one. Angel is aware, Doyin is aware, Neo is aware. Now I don't even see. I think the fight is coming from a place of betrayal. Where Angel was saying, "Look, I am open as an open book. I wasn't hiding. I said it to Doyin's face that I wasn't going to nominate her. But at the end, I realized that I don't have anybody else I could nominate except her." Now, Neo, on the other hand, said he did not have that conversation about nomination with Doyin, so Doyin is lying. So everything is now like, who else is lying among these people? So yes, of course, thanks to the parrot revealing all these things to the three people involved. Now, for Doyin, she was owning up to everything she said. Me, on the other hand, that guy is real right now. If you're watching the show, you know that guy lies a lot. Lying is part of him. So yes, he should be named Linus Neo even. Yeah, he was denying that conversation, and of course, Angel was not having it either. So that was why the back and forth was happening between them. So yes, Angel and Neo. As I'm recording this video, they have actually settled. So yes, they settled after their wager presentation. So yes, Thursday was Glasgow's. Friday they settled their fight. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.